Hey everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to use the transcript feature on ThinkBuddy. On our previous quick voice tutorial, I hope you've set up a hotkey for it. If not, take a moment to check out that video and get your hotkey ready. I've assigned Option and L as my shortcut for quick voice. So, let's jump right in. Now, summon quick voice by pressing Option and L together. Are you tired of writing long emails? Say goodbye to typing. ThinkBuddy listens and writes it all out for you. Once you're done speaking, you have the option to copy your spoken words as text or continue your conversation on ThinkBuddy. Let's copy it by simply hitting the Copy to Clipboard button. Next up, we'll paste the copied text into our email, and there you have it. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind, ThinkBuddy is equipped with a speech-to-text feature that recognizes numerous languages with ease. So, why wait? Join the ThinkBuddy family now. Make your workday smoother and more enjoyable.